Well, I think the disruption comes through the traveler. In a way, the expectations the travelers has today is more demanding from the point of view of expecting that we can anticipate. We have solutions, we have technology that enables us to really tailor, to anticipate what they really want to do, not only through historic data, but also through being able really to cluster by different, I would say, types of travelers. And that's why we've also been investing quite a lot in this research about traveler power and trying to identify what are the different characteristics of groups. And it's about really using historic data, business intelligence, travel intelligence data, and bringing it into the overall, I would say, search, book, experience part of the travel equation. So those are really the areas where I believe there's a highest degree of expectations. And in that also, all of the aspects of information coming from the traveler, user-generated, being able really to bring into the equation everything that comes from the traveler itself, or through the actual ecosystem of the traveler, is going to play really an increasing role over time. So we're having to kind of connect those dots more as we go forward. We are specialists in technology for travel, so our mission is to really connect those dots, to enable with technology that information gets connected.